Want to create a realistic AI influencer without hiring a model or learning video editing? In this How to Create an AI Influencer using Magic, our AI tutorial, I'll show you how to generate a consistent AI character, animate it, add lip sync, and create social media content in just a few steps. Hello everyone, welcome back. First, visit the Magic Hour website and click Sign Up. Create a free account using Google or your email, then log in to access the dashboard. New users receive sign-up credits, and some tools also offer free daily generations. Now let's create your AI influencer. From the dashboard, open the AI influencer generator or characters section. Enter a detailed prompt describing your influencer, including gender, age, hairstyle, clothing, facial expression, background, and camera style. The more specific your prompt is, the more consistent your results will be. Once you're happy with the character, save it as a character so you can reuse the same identity across future videos and images. Next, bring your influencer to life. Open image to video or talking photo, select your saved character, and add a motion prompt such as walking, smiling, waving, or talking. If you want your influencer to speak or sing, open the lip sync tool, upload your audio or voiceover, and Magic Hour automatically synchronizes the mouth movements with the audio. To make your content look even more professional, add subtitles. Use the AI video editor to refine scenes or create short promotional videos with the built-in UGC ad generator. You can combine these tools to produce Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or full marketing videos without switching platforms. Now let's talk about pricing. Magic Hour offers free access to selected tools and sign-up credits for new users, while paid plans unlock higher resolutions, more credits, mobile watermark-free exports, priority processing, and commercial usage rights. Free plan outputs include a watermark and aren't licensed for commercial use. If you're happy with the final result, export your video and publish it on your favorite social media platform. If this How to Create an AI Influencer using Magic, our AI tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know which AI tool you'd like to learn next. Based on my testing and research, Magic Hour is one of the easiest platforms for building consistent AI influencers, especially because you can save and reuse the same character across multiple projects.